this one. These other ones are like, yeah, but this one. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? I am back and I have with me a very important topic that is of a forge. You might have seen some other tutorials about forges, forgery. Yeah, you know, it can get very expensive, a little too complicated. Fortunately, we've come up with a simple and beautiful design that is very effective, and you won't spend nothing more than 10 bucks on it. And if you're thinking for 1 second that you don't need a forge, you're just foolish. And this is the design. Now, we need a forge, that's for sure, but we also want a cute and portable foundry. So the idea is, at the end of the day, we will be able to use this beast both for blacksmithing and casting. We have plenty of charcoal, therefore that is going to be our fuel. Of course, by all means you can use propane if, you know, a foundry is all you want. So whenever you want to hustle with whatever is inside your apparatus, you just flip off this upper pan, do as you desire, and then put it back so the heat gets trapped rather in the interior of this little gadget. Well, you've searched your favorite home improvement store and you got back with a nice couple of heavy-duty pans, those that bricklayers use. Now you get the picture of which direction the wheels are spinning. Okay, I got it. Just tell me, how am I supposed to put everything together? Glad you asked.
Okay, baby, still got a choice. So that's what I did. I followed her lead. To question her, then I saw you leave. I saw no need. And she said, come inside, my sweet blue girl. Come inside and I'll show you the world. Come inside and I'll keep company. Come inside, no need more. okay, baby, still got a choice. So that's what I did, I followed her lead. To question her then, I saw new need. I saw new need. And she said, come inside, my sweet blue girl. Come inside and I'll show you the world. Come inside and I'll keep company. Come inside, no need for misery. All I remember is the sound of her voice. She said, it's okay, baby, still got a choice. So that's what I did, I followed her lead. To question her then, I saw new need. I saw new need. And she said, come inside, my sweet blue girl. Come inside and I'll show you the world. Come inside and I'll keep company. Come inside, no need for misery.